What's up everyone? It's another day here in RC Resorts and Villas here in El Nido. We just woke up, it's around 9 a.m. I hadn't mentioned in previous videos, but we've been sleeping really late during this quarantine, like 3 a.m. and we always get up at around like lunchtime, around 12 o'clock. So we're trying to fix that now and get up a bit earlier and sleep a bit earlier. We don't want to keep waking up at 12 o'clock every day. I don't know if that's been happening to any of you guys during the quarantine, that you've been sleeping later and later because you're not doing much, but yeah, that's happened to us lately. Had a bit of insomnia, but hopefully today's the first day of us fixing that issue. The weather's supposed to be turning here soon. It's supposed to start raining a lot, that's what the forecast says. So yeah, we just wanted to make the most of the day. So even now, I can already see there's way more clouds than usual, but yeah, it's still pretty good weather for today. So we're just gonna head up to the pool area now and have breakfast. So for breakfast, I'm going to be having some of these mangoes here, 3 mangoes. Carol will have some as well. And I think Carol's also making some scrambled eggs over there in the professional kitchen. And yeah, I'm going to make some calamansi juice as usual. I always love that. Alright, breakfast is served. Carol's still half asleep.
Yeah.
I was mentioning before that we always keep getting up at around 12, so today we got up at 9 and...
Yeah, we're still very asleep because I don't know why it's been hard for us to sleep. Like, we're usually going to bed, let's say midnight, but we can only sleep at, I don't know, 3 a.m. Yeah. So.
Insomnia. I think it's because we're not out of the house that much.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Hopefully now that we got the pool and stuff, yeah, maybe it will tire us out a bit more. And we will do another cooking session later on. We soaked some soybeans yesterday and we have some fish to cook. So yeah, we plan on having a cooking session in this video. I know a lot of you guys enjoy that. So this is our first time coming in the pool. We've been here about, I don't know, 2 or 3 days, but yeah, the other days kept waking up late. It's actually really nice and cool as well. It's funny, a few seconds ago it did actually rain a little bit, only for a few minutes, very light, but yeah, I can definitely tell the weather's changing. Look at that dark cloud over there. This view really is epic though. One of the best pool views that we've ever had for sure. Cooler than outside anyway.
Yeah.
It's good, right? Really is pretty much empty, the resort here. It's a big resort, so yeah, just having one more person, you don't see him that much. Sometimes see him at night usually and talk to him. Canadian guy, he's pretty cool. But it's also like this because it's not really fully open, like I mentioned also in the last video. That's why we're able to use the kitchen and stuff. Normally they just have a normal restaurant there where you can order food there's no staff here as well. Yeah, it's not really like a resort right now, it's more like a home. Just use it as your home. So today I brought the drone with me. I haven't flown it in almost 2 months, I think. Last time I flew it was in the other resort that we stayed at. But yeah, I'm thinking the drone should look amazing over here, so we'll see how it looks from afar. So while I was flying the drone, it started raining, so yeah, I had to come back pretty quick. Not raining very hard, but still, I don't want it raining even a little bit while the drone's in the air. Probably see. It's not so bad though. And check this out, so a lot of the trees here are like fruit trees and plants, so actually quite a few bananas over here on this one. And then some of these here, you can probably see are cashew trees. So that one has 2 cashews on it there. Loads of the trees around here are cashew trees. So I think another day me and Carol are gonna try and collect some of the cashews. They have like a big stick down at the bottom that we can use to get the cashews off the trees. And we're gonna put it in the blender, because in Brazil, it's common to make yeah, cashew juice, very popular there. Apparently it's not even a thing here. We asked one of the locals here and they said they just bite it and get the juice that way. But yeah, I think we're gonna do that one day. Should be pretty cool. Now it's raining heavy.
Yeah.
This is the first rain we've had since like December, right? Sri Lanka?
Yeah, probably.
That's crazy. So long. It's actually quite nice to see it raining again. Raining pretty heavy, check that out.
Gonna swim in the
You gonna
rain.
swim in the rain? Why not? We were already wet anyway. Makes no difference.
Yeah. Just gotta be careful if there's a
Lightning.
yeah, lightning. We gotta go.
I'll join Carol on the rain swim. Normally I'd hate rain, but like I said, since we haven't seen any rain for like 5 months, it's actually quite nice. So since it's raining pretty hard now, I think we're gonna start cooking earlier than we were planning on doing. So we're gonna cook these fish. We're not sure how we're gonna cook them yet. I'm not even sure what fish these are. Does anyone know? This one's like a red colored one. two different fish though. So in here we have all the soybeans, so they're all a lot bigger now since we left them soaking overnight. And we're still trying to decide what we're gonna cook, right?
Yeah, we have fish, we have some vegetables, we have curry, so maybe I'm gonna do like, I don't know, a mix of everything we have, and I hope it's gonna be tasty, we'll see.
Are we gonna boil the fish this time?
Yeah, I think so. With the tomatoes and...
Like a stew?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, we'll work it out. And the soybeans, what about that? We just mix with
I think
garlic, onion?
we'll boil it and then we put some garlic and onion, like fried garlic and onion, like Brazilian style.
Yeah, I've never cooked soybeans before, have you?
No, I've never. Now that we decided to cook, guess who's back? The sun.
Yeah. But we're busy now.
Yeah.
And I think we're doing it like we did the adobo and the sinigang, right? Just slice it and boil it. This time we got a really good sharp knife, much easier to cut the fish. There we go. So I think we got 6 slices. Should be good. So we finished cooking the soybeans now. They're all nice and juicy, full of onions and garlic. And now we're gonna start with the vegetable fish curry. So we got sayotes, tomatoes, the green peppers, eggplant, and then onion. Gonna put a little bit of ginger in there, carrots, and this curry powder here. So everything's in there, last but not least, McCormick curry.
Yeah, it reminds me of India.
Yeah, big time. This is a special ingredient.
I don't know how much.
I don't know.
Is it too much?
I don't know, a bit more. So we'll see how it goes.
Once again, we're gonna have calamansi juice because it's so good.
Our favorite juice now.
Yeah.
I think I always use about six or 8. I don't know.
Yeah, it should be good, I think.
I like it strong.
Yeah.
They're small as well. You can put quite a lot for me. Maybe some more. I'm hungry. That's okay.
Get some vegetables.
Of course.
Yes.
Are you gonna put the curry sauce on top of your beans or?
Yeah,
No?
I think so.
Yeah. I'll probably start with the beans, the soybeans. I'm not even sure how I've ever eaten soybeans like this. I've had like black beans, kidney beans, but I don't think I've ever had soybeans. It's really tasty. But the soybeans, we noticed that they're pretty plain. They're not like other beans that have a bit of a distinctive flavor by themselves. So yeah, I think it definitely needed the onion and garlic, and since we have a bit of the curry sauce on top, that added even some extra flavor, and it's good because it's a lot of protein. Alright, I'll try the fish now, which I've been looking forward to. I love fish. See, it's nice, and yeah, the sauce has made it yellow, but inside it's nice and white. So it's more the taste of the actual fish. The curry is actually very mild, but yeah, this fish tastes great. I'm not sure which one it is. I think it's the more red one. I asked you guys to tell me the name of the fish. We had 2 different ones, but yeah, this is some really good fish. I think it tastes even tastier than the bangus. Also, me and Kyle have never cooked this before. We just got a bit creative, I guess, right?
Yeah, we got the ingredients that we had, and then we just did this.
Yeah, looks amazing though. Now it's Carol's turn. She got a little bit less than me, just a little bit. Mine's a feast. Start with the beans, yeah.
It's good. Yeah, it's good. Like you said, the bean itself doesn't have like a strong taste, but since we put onions and garlic.
Yeah, in Brazil we always eat black beans, right?
Yeah, I miss it so much. Like, I think I would pay a lot of money for black beans right now because I've been craving.
We got some here, but they were like some weird Chinese version that were just baked in soy sauce something. It didn't taste anything like normal black beans. Yeah. Alright, how about that fish? Get that sauce in there.
Yeah, it's good. Like I said, I think it's a bit better than the
Bangus.
I don't know if it's just the way we cooked it or the fish is better.
Yeah, I want to know what it's called. Let us know, please.
And it's not spicy at all.
Yeah, it's just a mild curry.
Mild curry, and that's good for us because we don't eat spicy food. Like, just a bit of spicy for us is perfect.
Yeah. And the best part is that all this is very healthy indeed.
Cheers. Ching ching.
So me and Carol are both in a food coma right now. Ate too much food. The other afternoons we've been chilling here because the sun doesn't hit here after like 2:30 or 3 p.m. So it ends up being nice and cool. And the sun actually came out. Crazy, now it's just all sunny. Not here because we're in the shade, but everywhere else is sunny, no more clouds. I guess that's how it might be in the rainy season here. We're in May now, and I think in June is like the official rainy season. Maybe July's the worst, I'm not sure. I think even in May it's supposed to start raining a bit more, so yeah, that should be that should be pretty funny. See how that goes. Just before I sign out, I just wanted to say a big thank you for everyone that's been supporting us during this period. We do see all your comments saying that you're watching the ads to help support us, since that's how we get paid off of YouTube. So yeah, we do see all the comments, and yeah, it's been kind of weird because it's been a really good period for the channel. We've never grown so much before like we're doing now. We just haven't really been bringing it up because it's kind of a weird time to celebrate, right, with everything that's going on. So that's why we haven't brought it up, even though yeah, we've kind of been hitting some milestones. So yeah, we're just very grateful that all you guys are enjoying the videos and you continue to watch them. And yeah, we're still gonna try and make many more while we're here during this period. Not sure how long we're gonna be here, but there's definitely gonna be many more videos to come. We still think we're gonna be here in the Philippines probably for a couple of months minimum, so we'll just have to see either way. So yeah, just once again, thank you, and drop a like on this video to help support us as well. Subscribe if you like to see more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram if you like to see what we're up to in real time, and we'll see you in the next one.